rotate your phone for better experience. New viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for receive all notifications. In this video, we can see how to make video like as preview. Open projects. Beat mark and shake effect link available in description box. Now open beat mark. Scroll down. Click on plus button and select media, then choose photo. Expand this layer up to 7 seconds. Select red layer. Choose edit group. Select first layer. Select green layer and choose fill and color. Select photo and click on plus mark in top side. Add same photo for all layers. Select another layer and do same process. Add same photo for all layer like this. Scroll down. Select green layer and choose fill and color, then select photo. Select next layer. Click on color and fill. Choose photo. Apply same photo for all remaining layers. Come back from this project. Open shake effect. Select first layer and choose effect and click on 3 dots and copy effect. Come back from this project. Again open beat mark. Scroll down. Select group layer and choose effect and click on 3 dots and choose paste effect. Come back from this project. Open shake effect. Select second layer and choose effect and click on 3 dots and choose copy effect. Come back from this project. Again open beat mark. Scroll down. Select background image and choose Effect and click on 3 dots and paste effect. Come back from this project, open Shake Effect. Select 2 blue layer and copy this layers. Come back from this project, again open Beat Mark. Paste 2 layers and drag to end. Your video is ready to export.